Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change driver later on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to change the driver later, simply click on the search option and search for create partition. Here we have create and format hard disk partition. Simply open the settings. It will open disk management window. Here you will find all the disks and partitions. So I want to change the driver later of this movie partition. Simply select that portion, right click on it, then click on change driver later and path. Here simply click on change, and from the drop down menu you can select your driver later. Say for example, I want to assign M driver later, then click on OK. Then click on yes. Here you can see my driver later has been changed to M. If you want to verify this, simply open your file explorer, then go to this PC. Here you can see our driver later of movie has been changed to M. Now if you want to change your partition name, then you can simply right click on that partition, then click on properties. Under properties, here you will find your driver name. Simply change this name to anything else. Say for example, USB disks. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Here you can see our partition name has been changed to USB disks and our partition later has been changed to M. So this way you can change driver later on Windows 11. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.